Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Engineer Preschool. Your Kalyani teacher is here with a CVC blends. Yes, in these videos we are going to learn when two consonants is blend with one vowel. In previous videos we have seen that vowel A blends with different consonants. So in these videos we are going to learn when vowel E blends with different consonants. Yes, in this video we are going to see the vowel E blends with the consonant G and it makes a sound egg. Here E also makes their own sound and G also makes their own sound. That is egg, 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 egg. Okay, here some words are with me where these letters come together. Just go through that. Before that, we must do practice of pronouncing these two sounds. Egg, egg, egg. Okay, and here we have to read like this. B, egg, bag. The next, egg, leg, egg, leg. The next, egg, peg. Okay, in this way you can read the small words. Yes, do practice of this. Thank you.